Hello, my name is Allan. I'm the Mind Alchemist. And today I wanted to talk to you about how to communicate with your inner being. If you are a Silva graduate and you're looking to manifest something, you're in partnership with your unconscious mind. So the tool that I have here is what they call an L rod. It's basically, like it says, it's a rod made out of steel. And what I do is I hold it in front of me and I say, show me my yes. And my rod comes and touches me on the shoulder. If I say, show me a no, it then hits me on the other side. So I'm going to try to do that for the camera one more time. Show me a no. And you could probably see it's pushing towards my shoulder. So when I ask questions, is this for my benefit? Can you manifest this for me? Could you guide me? I'm looking for those yes and no responses. Yes and no. And by doing that, I get great results because now I am in partnership with infinite intelligence. So if you're looking for help to manifest, either call me or pick up a dowsing rod or even a pendulum. There's so many ways to get your yes and no responses, but that is really one of the first and best things that you could do. Anyways, talk to you on my next video. Thanks.